welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Unice again. So let's see what's in today's package. All right, so I'm seeing the goodie bag first, and we got a branded elastic band, perfect for melting the lace off your wig. All right, I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a pair of lashes, and that's branded Unice. Everything is branded, and a brush. They also ensured to put a branded Unice drawstring bag on the inside, so you know, if you need storage for your wig after you wear it, you'll have one. And then let's get to the wig. Oh, there's a few more goodies before I get to the wig. So I got another pair of the HD wig caps. I got this little thing here, and then I got this little thing. It's branded Unice. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is so cute. Like, I'm gonna put this in my purse right now. This is so handy. Like, what? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, this is so handy. You know, sometimes you're on the road, you really need a little mirror to just check yourself real quick. Yeah, they did it. I love it. And I love the fact that it's a enclosed like pair of mirrors, because sometimes when it's just like one side is a mirror and then the next side is opaque, it's just like it gets smeared so easily. So the fact that they packaged it in a way where, or they designed it in a way where it can be closed, love that, love that. I'm putting it in my purse, guys, right now. I'm so serious. Wig that we're working with today, guys, it is another bomb slip on and go, wear and go, whatever you want to call it, lace closure wig. It's a 6x4.5 pre-cut lace lace wear and go black water wave air wig. And I believe the reason why they said air wig is because this cap is very breathable. You see that? And I love that, because at least, you know, when you have the wig on, you won't have to feel like too, like, you know, when you feel like your scalp just isn't breathing. No, with this, it's a completely breathable wig cap, and I love that, you know. And as I said, on the side here, on around the perimeter of the cap, they added this portion here, which it's like it prevents the wig from slipping easily. It has that like stick. It's a plastic portion, but it's like it sticks to your head. It would allow it to give like a non-slip vibe. So I also love that. They even added this elastic band, which is adjustable, and you know this really helps with security. And there's a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap as well. All right, now look at this, guys. The wig came like this straight out of the box. 2 little swoops on the side, and it's pre-cut, as I said already for you. The lace is pre-cut, no extra lace or anything that you need to go in and worry about cutting yourself. It's fully customized for you. You see that? Pre-tinted, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all that good stuff. And as I said, it's a water wave wig. I believe this is, I'm going to put the length, the specific length of this wig in my description box, as well as the density, but it's really nice. It's a really nice water wave texture, as you can see, and it's full. The top features of this wig, you know, definitely is the fact that it's a wear and go. You can just literally slip this on and go, right? No glue required, no adhesive whatsoever. 30-second install. Pre-cut lace. You know, if you're bad at cutting the extra lace off, you know, you really don't have to worry. As I just showed you, it comes pre-cut. So if you really don't know nothing about hair, they got you. Security. All right, so you got multiple clips on the inside. You got an elastic band, you got an adjustable band, an adjustable elastic band, and you have the area here that I was showing you, which really helps with that non-slip vibe. I am just going to quickly install this for you guys and show you how secure it actually is, being a glueless wig. This is how the wig looks once I slip it on, guys. Nothing, I haven't done anything to it. These are the swoops that came. with it initially, and they're really trying their best to cater to anybody that's out there that doesn't understand how to finesse their own hair or wig, and I appreciate that. That is everything to me. So it looks good. So the only thing I feel like I need to do, I'm gonna go in with my powder, just tap it on the lace a little bit to help to camouflage it a little bit more to my tone, my skin tone, and also I'm gonna shorten my swoop so that, you know, they're not as long. But everything looks really good. The hair is already so flat. What I'm gonna do is also get it wet so we can, you know, just make these waves a little bit more pronounced. But it does look so pretty in its dry state. So I'm just tapping my face powder onto the lace to just help with camouflaging the appearance of, you know, eliminating the castiness rather. Alright, so now the only thing I'm gonna move on to doing is fixing the swoops. And as you can see, using my comb on that, and it looks so good. So this is the hair in its dry state. This is how the texture looks. Really nice wave pattern. And now I'm just gonna go ahead, get it wet so you guys can also see it in its wet state. And I'm just using water.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heart beat me.
And that's how we are looking. It looks so good. It's like that effortless, beachy kind of wave vibe. It's perfect. You see how realistic this looks? Let's go ahead. You see that? Yep. Completely glueless. Completely glueless. What more could you ask for? Especially if you're a girl that's trying to get into her wig era but not with a lot of stress applying it. I've been saying this. I've been saying this, guys. Like, check out these glueless wigs. They are bomb. They're a game changer. They save so much time. The convenience, you know, the style, it's trendy, it's everything. So yeah, I literally 10 out of 10 recommend, especially for a vacation. Perfect texture, and then it's glueless. What more could you ask for? Really and truly, Unice, you did that. And I, as I said, 10 out of 10 recommend. Guys, the direct link to this wig will be in my description box. So if you're interested in getting this for yourself, please go ahead and check out my description box down below. All the specifications will be listed, so if you're interested, check that out as well. And that's it for today's wig look. Easy breezy, to the point, beginner friendly, bomb glueless water wave wig. Amazing. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.